Hello, this is my Elements of Japanese Garden presentation. Japanese garden is really interesting because it is, and therefore, okay. The first element we're going to talk about is sand or gravel. See how it's raked into wave patterns like the ocean. The next thing we're going to talk about is stone. How stones are used to represent mountains and islands. And the third natural element in the Japanese garden we're going to talk about is water. This picture is taken right from the Japanese, I took at the Japanese Friendship Garden at Balboa Park. Okay, now I'll wrap it up and tell you whatever the thesis was. There was a thesis I announced at the beginning too. Anyway, it's all wrapped up. There you go. The three natural elements of the Japanese garden are sand, water, and sand, stones, and water. Sand, stones, and water. Okay. Now, let's see.